Children, we are going to start next topics of chapter first. Name is crops. Children, in the last video, I told you about reproduction in flowering plants. Now we will study of crops. Plants that are grown on large scale for food and other things are called crops. The types of crops are food grain crops, wheat, rice, maize, barley, jowar, pulses, etc. Vegetable and fruit crops. Next, vegetable and fruit crops, sugarcane, apple, orange, potato, onion, etc. Next, oil producing crops, mustard, sunflower, peanut, etc. Next, fiber crops, jute, cotton, etc. Next, plantation crops, tea, coffee, etc. Crops need adequate sunlight, water, air, and fertile soil to grow properly. Different crops grow well under different conditions. For example, wheat grows well in cold weather, whereas rice grows well in hot weather. In India, we have two main cropping seasons in an agricultural year, July to June. First Rabi and second Kharif. Children, plants are grown on a large scale for food and other things are called crops. There are many types of crop. Point number 1, food grain crops. Wheat, rice, maize, barley, jowar and pulses. These types of crops provide us food grain. Second, vegetable and fruit crops, sugarcane, apple, orange, potato, onion, etc. Such types of crops provide us vegetable and fruit. Next point, oil producing crops, mustard, sunflower, peanut. Such types of crops provide us oil. Next, fiber crops, jute and cotton. These types of crops provide us jute and cotton for making of bag and clothes. Next point, plantation crops, tea, coffee. These types of crops provide us non-alcoholic stimulating materials like as tea, coffee. Children, crops need proper sunlight, water, air and fertile soil. So this factor is very important for crops. Children, we know that different types of crops grow in different conditions and different seasons. For example, wheat grow well in cold weather, whereas rice grows in hot weather. In India, July to June, two crops are growing. First Rabi and second Kharif. So, month July to June is known as agricultural year. Rabi crops. The crop which grow in winter season, October to March, are known as Rabi crops. For example, wheat, barley, mustard, gram, etc. Rabi in Arabic means spring. These crops are usually harvested in spring. Crops like cabbage, cauliflower, radish, pea, bean, apple, orange are grown as winter crops. Children, such types of crops which grow in winter season October to March, also known as Rabi crops. Example, wheat, barley, mustard, gram, and harvested in month of March and April. Arabic means spring. These crops are usually harvested in spring season. Example: cabbage, cauliflower, radish, pea, bean, apple, orange. Next, Kharif crops. The crops which are sown with the arrival of monsoon and are grown in monsoon season, July to October, are known as Kharif crops. For example, rice, bajra, jowar, maize, etc. Kharif in Arabic means autumn. These crops are usually harvested in autumn. Children, which crops are sown in starting of monsoon and are grown in monsoon season, July to October, is called Kharif crops. Sowing of Kharif crop starting in the month of June and July and harvested in the month of September and October. Example: rice, bajra, jowar, maize, etc. Kharif in Arabic means autumn because these crops are usually harvested in autumn. The crops grown between March and June are known as summer crops. Crops like brinjal, ladyfinger, gourd, bitter gourd, watermelon and mango are summer crops. Children, some crops are growing between the month of March and June. They are called summer crops. Example: brinjal, ladyfinger, gourd, bitter gourd, watermelon and mango. These are examples of summer crops.